Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. So in my previous video, we have discussed with some of the important questions of this subject, technological innovation and management entrepreneurship. Which is the first subject and the first exam that the uh, fifth sem students are having, fifth sem EC students are having. Okay, so first three modules, so all the important set of questions I have tried to discuss it. Again, those who have not seen that video, please go and watch it. It is available in our channel playlist. Okay, you can go and watch there. Each module, two videos have made it, and 10 questions are provided. So totally 50 questions are there. Learn these 50 questions with answers to so that you can score 70 plus. Okay, this is my guarantee that you can score it easily. Yeah. So without wasting much time, let us start with module 4. Okay, module 4, define small scale industries (SSI) and what are their roles in the economic development in India. Okay, so basically, what are small scale industries? Small scale industries, their roles are employment generation. Explanation: SSIs are labor intensive and provide job opportunities to a large section of the population, including skilled, semi skilled, and unskilled workers. Okay, the small scale industries are the industries where all kinds of people are coming with an initiative to learn something and to build their own standard. Okay, for example, cottage industries like handloom, weaving, or pottery offer employment in rural areas. Okay, contribution to GDP. SSI significantly contribute to India's domestic product by producing goods and services across various sectors. For example, SSIs contribute to around 30% of India's GDPs from the manufacturing sectors. Balanced regional development. Explanation: these industries promote the development of rural and backward areas by setting up units in less developed regions, reducing the regional disparities. Okay, for example, agro based industries like rice mills and dairy farms thrive in rural regions. Promotion of experts. Explanation with example, it's available. Then encourages entrepreneurship. It encourages the entrepreneurship in various factors, such as you can see that small scale industries. uh, what are basically small scale industries? That people with small business, okay, they don't have any other options, choices. You can see in the streets, right? Businesses. How it encourages entrepreneurship is that you will be realizing that that small business which you are grown, right, it is growing. Okay, when the that business is growing, it would be when the business grows, you would be getting automatically new ideas. Okay, when you get new ideas, you can say that the what is an entrepreneur? That if you have if you are getting new ideas in your mind, then only you will be becoming an entrepreneur, right? So that way it encourages the entrepreneurship. Utilization of local resources. Okay, the local resources would be utilized in a perfect manner in the small scale industries. Self reliance and economic stability also would be improved. Okay, you can note these points. Next question: explain the impact of globalization and WTO, okay, World Trade Organization, on SSI in India. Okay, impact of globalization and WTO on small scale industries in India. Globalization and the World Trade Organization (WTO) have a significant impact on SSIs in India, influencing both opportunities and challenges. Okay, some of the positive impacts are: it accesses the worldwide markets. For example, Indian handicrafts, textiles, and jewelry have found increased in demand in global markets. Second point is improved quality standards. Okay, quality standards are also compared, and also if any improvement is required, it is taken action on that. Okay, for example, many SSIs now focus on quality certifications in ISO to enhance their competitiveness. Technology transfer. For example, small scale textile units have modernized their machinery through global collaborations. Okay. If we have some of the positive impacts, also there are some of the negative impacts which affect these small scale industries. One is tighter patent laws under TRIPS agreement, intensified domestic competition. Okay, increased imports of high quality goods. Okay, competition is a negative impact in small scale industries because the reach of small scale industries is in such a way that if you see in a particular street, right, many people would be coming with their own business plans, and The competition will be based on the area of place or financial competition. All these things would be coming in the picture. So domestic competition is very intensified. Increased imports of high quality. Okay, so these are some of the negative impacts. Next is discuss the role of SSI in the development of a country. Okay, again, this is a important question. The role is employment generation, economic growth. Okay, along with explanation and example, I've mentioned it. Okay, if you write this much, you can easily score marks. Okay, one explanation and one real life scenario example. Easily you can score marks if you write these points. Okay, economic growth, regional development, promotion of exports, encouraging entrepreneurship, utilization of local resources, enhancing self-reliance, and all these points are very okay. So we can note these points down. Next question: discuss the government policies for the development of skill sector in India. Okay, small scale sector. The Indian government has introduced several policies to support and promote the growth of small scale industries. These policies aim to address challenges such as the lack of capital, technology, and market access, fostering their development. Okay, some of the government policies are reservation policy, financial assistance, technology upgradation, market development assistance, and all these factors play a vital role in the small scale industries, infrastructure development, skill development and training. Okay, so the explanation is provided here. You can see it. Okay, so you can write either 5 to 6 points. It is more than enough. Next question is define ancillary and tiny industries and what is meant by sickness in the SSIs or a small scale sector. Discuss its causes and solutions. Okay, definition and explanation of these ancillary industries. Ancillary industries are basically a small scale units that supply components, parts, or services to larger industries. They operate as support systems for big industries. Okay, as I've told you, right, they operate as support systems for big industries. So these are basically uh, a link between the large scale industries and small scale industries. It comes in between those two. Okay, ancillary industries. For example, a small firm producing auto parts for automobile manufacturers is called as an ancillary industries. Next is tiny industries. Tiny industries are small businesses with an investment in plant and machinery not exceeding a specific limit, typically defined by government policies. For example, 25 lakh in India. For example, small bakeries, tailoring units, repair shops, etc. These and all comes under these tiny industries. Sickness in the SSI sector. Okay, causes of sickness. Okay, it's mentioned here. Financial problems, managerial inefficiency, technological obsolescence, market competition. Okay, these points are very important. You can note it down. Okay, solutions to address these sicknesses are also mentioned here. You can note it down. Yeah, so that's all for this video, guys. We have discussed 5 questions. I've tried to discuss 5 questions. So these questions are very important, guys. So please watch this video, and this PDF would be available in this description. Okay, so no need to worry about it. The PDF we are going to provide it in the description, so you should be uh, downloading that PDF and go through whatever I've told you in this video available in that PDF. Also, like, share, subscribe to our channel. Do support us, guys. Exams are coming near, so do concentrate on studying these exams. Don't carry any backlogs because now you are in fifth sem. Now it is very difficult because if you when you reach the seventh sem, you should be clearing all your backlogs. Okay, so that's why please don't carry any backlogs with you, guys. So all the best from my side. Like, share, subscribe to our channel, please. Okay, we'll see you in the next video with some other set of questions. Thank you.